Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas series. In today's episode, we will explore techniques for handling categorical data using Pandas. Categorical data requires a special treatment for analysis, and we will cover encoding and dummy variable. So let's dive in. To demonstrate this concept, let us use this sample data set. Imagine we have data about a student where we have their names, their grade, and then subject. Now into this code, what we are doing, we have created a data frame called df with student data. Notice that the grade and subject column contains categorical data. Now let me run this one. So moving ahead, now into this code where you can see here encoding categorical data. When dealing with ordinal categorical data, we can use encoding techniques. So in this example, we are creating a map dictionary, here for grades and applying it to map function to create a new column which is called credit encoded. So let me run this code. You can see here we have new column graded code into this form of data. Now creating dummy variable. So now into this code for nominal categorical data, we need to creating a dummy variable can be useful. We can use the get dummies function here to convert each category into a separate column. Here we create dummy variable for the subject column and concatenate them with the original df. I hope it is clear. Let me run this one. So if you can see here, we have 3 new columns where we have boolean value false, false, true, 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 and then true, and then false, true, false, false. So that's a wrap of today's episode on handling categorical data using Pandas by encoding ordinal data and creating dummy variables for nominal data. We can effectively incorporate a categorical information into our analysis. So stay tuned for more exciting topics in our Pandas series. Thank you for watching.